Hey y'all, I'm Nikki with Avery Creations, and today I'm going to show you how to herringbone half double crochet. The half double crochet is one of my favorite stitches, and this is just a slight variation of the half double crochet. For the project that I'm working on right now, I'm just alternating single crochets and herringbone half double crochets. So I'm going to show you while I'm working this pattern how to herringbone half double crochet. For my last stitch here, I placed a single crochet. So now I'm going to do the herringbone half double crochet. You're going to yarn over like you would make a normal half double crochet and go into the next stitch. You're going to yarn over and pull back through. And instead of yarning over and pulling through those 3 loops, you're going to take this current loop that you're in and just kind of slip into the next loop there. And then you'll yarn over and go through both of those loops. So this next stitch is a single crochet. And this next stitch is going to be a herringbone half double crochet. So you'll yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull back through, and slip into that loop right there. And then yarn over and pull through both of those loops. Okay, we'll do a few more. The next one's a single crochet. And the next one is a herringbone half double crochet. So you'll yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull back through, and just slip into that loop there. And then yarn over and pull through those 2 loops on there. And that is how you make a herringbone half double crochet. Here's a washcloth that I finished using that pattern, and I just love the textured look that you get. I will have the pattern up for this washcloth on my blog soon, and I'll post a link in the description to it. Thank you and happy crocheting.